Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine. Power off, then power on and watch for post text. Press the motherboard key immediately to enter BIOS. Once inside, move quickly to boot or security. Change boot order only if you need recovery media. Make sure to disable fast boot and secure boot when required. These block some safe mode paths. You do this because BIOS level settings control what the OS can request during startup. Changing them makes the OS-aware safe mode options reachable. Once done in BIOS, save and exit, but choose boot override or the recovery media you configured so the system boots into Windows recovery environment. From there, select Troubleshoot Advanced Options Startup Settings, then click Restart. You do this because you can't force safe mode directly from BIOS. The recovery environment bridges BIOS and OS-level options. Make sure to pick the correct media or internal recovery if your system uses UEFI. Keep it enabled unless compatibility issues force legacy mode. You now choose a startup setting. Press 4 or F4 for safe mode, 5 or F5 for safe mode with networking. The system will boot into a minimal driver set so you can repair issues. Once in safe mode, uninstall problematic drivers, run sfc/scano and chkdsk, or restore a system image. If you cannot load the recovery environment, go back to BIOS and double-check boot priority and fast boot/secure boot states. That single change often fixes access problems and lets the recovery environment run properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.